Hey, good morning, guys. This video is going out to second and fourth period because these two classes are the ones that really kind of buckled down, did what they needed to do, and got their work done with their article the other day. So, great job for you. I'm going to kind of walk you through what's on the classroom website just so you know what you should be looking for, and then you need to get to work. This video is, well, you would have already clicked on it right here. So after you watch this video, you should be good to go. The two things that you need to be working on today is your roadmaps, because today is the last day for roadmaps. You should have brought your book home and your roadmaps home, knowing that we had impending weather. So if you did not bring your roadmap home, luckily for you, it's on Google Classroom. That's not an excuse. We've got to ditch the excuses and just do the work. And then after you have worked on that at some point today, you need to make sure to log on to News ELA and open up one or two of the articles. So please read my soapbox, because the time is coming to where you've got to be a responsible young adult. You all are going to be driving soon. And for most of us in classes, second period and my fourth period class, this is not a problem. So just close your ears or go get a snack, because you don't need to know that you're not doing your job and pulling your weight, and it needs to start happening. Pull your weight, be responsible, do your work. So this needs to be done whether you do it today or whether you do it in homeroom Friday or Monday. Get it done. So if you have not finished your American Inaction on Auschwitz article, please finish that article. I need you to answer the 4 questions on the quiz, and I need for you to do the right on tone on that article. If it gives you the option at the very top, it goes right here. If it gives you the option, please make sure that it says 1140. That means that it's 8th grade level, and that's going to give you the question sets that are going to be on your test. If you did well if you completed American Inaction on Auschwitz, please check your feedback from me and then either correct it or move on to American Inaction on Auschwitz. No, sorry, that's the one you already read. Please correct it, look at your feedback, and then I want you to move on to some push to make Hispanic Heritage Month more inclusive. There is a video that has been included for you that kind of talks about what we've been talking about in class on how to find that author's perspective. She gives multiple examples. So if you got 20.5%, 0%, you need to watch this video before you move on. I've also included this as just a picture. It tells you what we were doing in class, as well as those reminders on how to decide what's formal tone versus what's a casual tone, because it's not just a matter of fact of it just being big words. As we get older, you're going to have vocabulary with big words to where you have to read them, whether it's formally written or casually written. So review these anchor charts. Watch this video if you did poorly on the first Auschwitz article before you move on, or correct. And don't forget your roadmaps. Have a great ice day, and hopefully I will see you all tomorrow, because I need to have cheer practice.